Hey investors, Kevin with Orsinger Investment Group with your Monday market update. If you were lucky enough to have money in the broad markets last Monday, you had a terrific week as an investor. S&P up over 3.5%, Dow up nearly 3%, NASDAQ was up over 5%, and the EFA was up nearly 1.75%. So again, if you were a broad market investor, Monday of last week and kept your money invested for the week, Friday's close probably put a smile on your face. For a second week in a row, technology has led the way. The S&P 500's information technology sector was up over 7% last week. So if we strip away everything but the technology, you can see what kind of gains they got. Another reason, corporate earnings that have come out so far for this quarter, 85% of the reporting companies have beat expectations. So that's just a sign that maybe things in the economy don't look great, or at least the news would report it that way, but companies are still doing well. And then Friday, and this is going to seem a little bit weird, unemployment numbers were 23,000 job losses, which may not seem like a good thing on the surface. But as the Fed looks at that as one of their things, whether to move interest rates, that many job losses is probably a good thing for them to maybe not raise interest rates in the future. Again, just one of the components that they look at, but ultimately does have an impact on it. So job losses generally don't seem like a good thing. And a little bit of a bubble or a vacuum with the Fed, it could be a good thing. So again, another strong week for the markets. Hopefully it continues this week. Would not expect the same level of returns. That would be tough to duplicate 2 weeks in a row. But ultimately, if we get any sort of positive returns coming off of last week, that is a good thing for investors. As always, stay connected with us, like us, follow us, comment if you have something you'd like to hear or something you'd like to say. Thanks.